Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today we have a nice exponential problem, that is a squared is equal to b plus 241 and b squared is equal to a plus 241. So here we have to find all possible values of a and b. Let's start our solution. First of all, we just call this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. Now if we just subtract equation 1 and 2, so here we will get left hand side of equation 1 is a squared. Now subtracting left hand side of equation 2, which is b squared. Here we have a squared minus b squared is equal to. Now subtracting right hand side of equation 1 and right hand side of equation 2. So b plus 241 minus a plus 241. Now a squared minus b squared is equal to, here we have b plus 241 minus, multiplying this negative sign into parentheses, we will get minus a and minus 241. Now this plus 241 and minus 241 is cancelled, so we have a squared minus b squared. Shifting this minus a, we will get plus a, and this plus b will be minus b is equal to 0. Now this a squared minus b squared, according to algebraic formula, it will be a plus b times a minus b. And here if we just take plus 1 is common, so inside bracket we will get a minus b is equal to 0. Now here a minus b is a common term, so taking a minus b is common, then inside bracket we have a plus b, and here we have plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have two conditions, that is a minus b is equal to 0 or a plus b plus 1 is equal to 0. Now from this one, that is shifting minus b, we will get plus b is equal to, that is a. So b is equal to a or a is equal to b. Similarly here if we just express this equation with respect to b, then b is equal to, that is minus 1 minus a. Now if we just recall our equation 1, that is our equation 1 is given by, here we have a squared is equal to b plus 241. It is our equation 1. So writing here that equation 1 is given by a squared is equal to b plus 241. But here we have, first of all, here if we just put that b is equal to a, so it will be a squared is equal to, this b is equal to a plus 241. Now shifting these two terms to our left hand side, we will get a squared minus a minus 241 is equal to 0. Now it is a nice quadratic equation. We can solve it by using quadratic formula. So for this purpose, here we have coefficient of a squared. Let's say it is equal to a, that is 1, and capital B is equal to minus 1, and c is equal to minus 241. Now applying quadratic formula here, that is a is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. So putting values, we will get minus times value of b is minus 1 plus minus square root of b squared, which is equal to minus 1 whole squared, and minus 4 times a is 1, c is minus 241 all over 2 times a. So a is equal to 1, then it will be 2 times a is 1. Now our next step will be Now a is equal to, that is minus times minus is plus 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 squared is plus 1, and minus times minus is plus 4 times 241, we will get 964 all over 2 times 1 is 2. Here we have 1 plus minus square root of 965 all over 2. Now we have two values of a, that is a is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 965 all over 2. So here we have two values of a. Similarly, as we know that here b is equal to a, so it will be the same values for b, that is b is equal to 1 plus minus 965 all over 2. So these are two values for b. Now we can solve this equation, that is a plus b plus 1 is equal to 0. So here putting this value of b is equal to minus 1 minus a. Now recall our equation 1, that is a squared is equal to b plus 241. So it will be that. Now here we have as our equation 1 is given by a squared is equal to b plus 241, but the value of b is equal to minus 1 minus a. So putting here, it will be a squared is equal to, this b is equal to minus 1 minus a plus 241. Next, a squared is equal to, it will be, that is minus a and plus 240. Now here we have, that is a squared, shifting this minus a, we will get plus a minus 240 is equal to 0. Now a squared, we can just find the values of a, as it is a quadratic equation. So we have to solve this by factorization method, because here this plus a is factorable, that is a squared minus 15a plus 16a minus 240 is equal to 0. So taking a as common, then we will get a minus 15, and here plus 16 is taken common, we have a minus 15, that is equal to 0. Now a minus 15 is a common factor, and another factor is a plus 16 is equal to 0. Now we have two possible values of a, that is a is equal to plus 15, and similarly a plus 16 is equal to 0, so a will be minus 16. So here our second value of a is, that is a is equal to 15, and similarly a is equal to minus 16. Now for finding the value of b, we know that b is equal to minus 1 minus a. So when a is equal to 15, then it will be b is equal to minus 1 minus 15, that is b is equal to minus 16. So when a is equal to 15, then b will be minus 16. Similarly, here we have b is equal to minus 1 minus, here a is minus 16. So b is equal to minus 1 plus 16, that is b is equal to, here we have plus 15. So when a is equal to minus 16, then value of b is 15. Now our final set of solution is given by, that is a and b is equal to, here we have our first pair of value, that is here we have that a is 1 plus minus 965 square root over 2, and b is 1 plus minus 965 over 2. So we just write like this, that here a is 1 plus 965 square root of 965 all over 2, and similarly value of b is also the same, 1 plus square root of 965 all over 2. Now next pair is 1 minus square root of 965 all over 2, and similarly value of b is 1 minus square root of 965 all over 2. And here we have, when a is equal to 15, then b is equal to minus 16. So here we have a is actually 15 and b is minus 16. Similarly, when a is equal to minus 16, then value of b will be 15. So here we have found four possible pairs of values for a and b. It is our first pair, second one, third and fourth. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. That's for it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.